Friends? Yeah. Hey guys, it's been a slow morning. Slowly getting there. Waking up. I'm on the couch. Not waking up. Sorry guys. What are you watching? Tell me. What? Einstein? The baby, little Einsteins? Yeah? Look at you. Hi. Hi. How are you? What? You say hi, friends? Say hi. Hi. Friends? Yeah. You're so cute. Are you cute? No. I don't know why this doesn't want to focus. Yeah, keys. Hi. Are you silly? You're moving too much. What are you doing? You're too close. You're too close. Mwah. Give me a kiss. Mwah. I love you. You're silly. You're silly. You're silly. No, he's knocking me up. No, don't push me. Oh, oh. You're mean. You're mean. Boom. Wyatt. Okay. We. You guys aren't cooking, are you? Well, if you're cooking, what are you cooking, guys? Because I'm making soup. No. Yes. No. Yes, I am. Yum. Chicken noodle soup. No. It's not done yet. I gotta put the noodles in. You help me put the noodles in? Uh-huh. Where are the noodles? Are you gonna be my helper? There we go. Now all we have to do is let it sit and cook. Because everything else is all cooked. Here we go. Let's go. No. I'm gonna follow you today. Yeah. Yeah. I think it's a good idea. This thing, we're gonna have to definitely get a new kind of camera, because I think this is a little too fancy for our vlogs, aren't they? Yeah. You are being silly. Yeah, this isn't like the focus on anyone or anything. Why, you're too far away. It's saying you're blurry. Don't throw. Alright, Wyatt, what do we do? You wanna watch more? Put that down. Get down. Go get the controller. Over there. Nope. There you go. Go get it. Thank you. Now what do you want to watch? I think we've had enough little Einsteins today. Okay, let's watch something new. What else? Whoops. No, what? Uh-oh. Apparently it's not working. What are you gonna do about that? Nothing's working. You watch Hotel Transylvania too? See? Blah, blah, blah. Minnie. You wanna watch Mickey Mouse? We play this over and over and over again. We watch Mickey Mouse way too much, and it's Christmas. It's not even Christmas time, and you're thinking about Christmas? Huh? You think about Christmas all the time? Well, Mommy's been making a list. Mama. I've been making a Christmas list. Mama. Yep. For all of you. Mama. Everyone. Yep. Mama. Yeah. Mama. Mama. Mickey Mouse? Does that look like a Mickey Mouse? Uh-huh. You're silly. What? Yeah, that's my strap. For my camera. Love. 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 You're a gopher. Say I. Say love. You. Good job. Who else do you love? Daddy. Daddy. Who else? Baba. Who else? Nana. Nana. Who else? Hannah. Who else? Grandma. Say Grandma. Papa. And Jacob. I know you said Hannah like 3 times. Say Jacob. Say love you guys. Wait. What about Mommy? No. Oh my goodness. You don't love Mommy? Say love Mommy? No. Yes. Say uh-huh. No. Mommy takes care of you all the time and you don't love Mommy? Oh, you're so mean. You're a turd. You're a turd. I'm gonna get you. I'll let you watch all these cartoons. All of these cartoons. Uh-huh. I'll let you watch this all the time and you don't love Mommy? That's not nice. You love Mommy? No. Yes? No. I won't turn it on until you say I love you. No burr. Get down. Not on my couch. You can sit up here. No. Bubba's asleep. You need to be quiet. You ready? Okay, lay down. You ready? Are you sure? Do you love Mommy? Get the blanket. You're gonna fall. You got a hole in your shirt still. Are you ready yet? Come on, get your blanket. Oh, you want your Mickey Mouse blanket? Okay, go get it. That's not Mickey Mouse. Alright, get the ball blanket. Come on. Alright, are you ready? Can you say you love Mommy? Mama, okay. That's good enough. Say bye. you? Are you being bashful? You need a diaper change, don't you? Yeah. You want to change your diaper? Let's change your diaper, okay. Are you ready? You can go eat? Come on. You're such a big boy, ain't you? Are you a big boy? Hey. Love you. Alright. Okay, we're not turning that light off. We got our hands full. Look at that. Bubba's got some soup. You got some soup. Ready? Oh. Oh. Well, you sat down quickly. Alright. Is that good? You want to eat? Eat your soup. Yeah, I'm gonna end up using my hands, Mom. Let's get you some water. So there's a little bit of water in that cup. Very little. Right, dude. You are not getting any more to drink until you're done eating. Because you drink like a piggy. Bubba doesn't drink like a piggy. He eats like a piggy. Right. Yeah. What? Alright, oh my gosh, guys. I was waiting for Cullen and Katie to post their video, and I'm going to watch it now because this is surprise delivery. I don't know if she had her baby or if, you know, they're fooling us. So, I'm gonna watch it, and I can't wait. Are you done? It looks like you made a mess. You want more? Wyatt's watching our video. You like that? What are you doing? How? No! I just wanted to see your beautiful face. Yeah, look at that beautiful face. I get you. I love you. Are you done? You want down? Oh boy, you're a mess. Elijah just laid down there and covered himself up. And then Wyatt laid down with him. Are you guys cute? Elijah, are you cute? Wyatt, are you cute? Yeah. You're making a mess on my floor already. No, you made that mess. Bubba's gonna lay down with you. You gonna lay down, Bubba? Was that tickle? I'm trying to get something off of you. Come here, you have something on you. Easy, Wyatt. Oh, I almost got it. Come here. There we go. Cutie. You, my dear, need a haircut soon. You know that, Elijah? Yeah? You don't need a haircut. You have short hair as it is. You need a haircut. Cutie pie. You're silly. ready? Are you ready? Dada! 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 Elijah, say Dada! Dada! Can you say Dada? What? Yeah. Push. Push. Oh, there you go. Say Dada! No, no. Here comes Wyatt. Did you give Daddy kisses? No. No, why not? Light. Daddy, I'm turning the light on. Get Daddy kisses. Where's Daddy? Where is he? Give him a kiss. Give him a kiss. Oh, give him kisses. I'm sure Bubba give him kisses. That ball is dangerous, dude. He's got a jealousy streak. Hug. Oh, you're so sweet. Daddy, someone else wants to see you. Oh. I got him. I got him on the butt. Get Daddy. Say, Daddy, get your arm out of there. Get your arm out. Get him. You're so cute. Are you gonna lay with Dad?
I didn't realize it was like 20.
Are you silly? I'm trying to get your brother, but he's a wiggle worm. Buddy, you gotta be careful. He's getting a little lighter. He's losing some baby fat. Aren't you? What? Mama. Mama. Nana. 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 Dada. Dada. Mama. Mama. Say Mama. Who all do you want to say? Hannah? Hannah? Nana? Nana? Jacob? I'd be amazed if Elijah said Jacob. How about Papa? Can you say Papa? You say Papa? Can you say Grandma? Grandma. Grandma? We're gonna do this. We're gonna say names and see if you can say them back. Right? This ball. We're gonna get the ball. Oh! Ball. You love the ball. You go get it. Get it. Kick it. Kick it. Oh! Kick it. Kick it with your feet. Kick. Kick it. Well, I'm going to go put Mr. Elijah to bed, and we are gonna go from there. I hate wearing my glasses. Can't see me with my glary face. So, glary eyes. Elijah, what are you doing? Are you grouchy? Yeah, he's ready for bed, so we're gonna go do that. You're so sweet. We're gonna sleep with the Rugrats blanket tonight. Alright. Alright. Good night. I love you. Sweet dreams, baby boy. Goodbye for now. Until we meet again. Yeah, I said goodbye for now. Until we meet again. Good night, baby. Love you. Hello. I was about to say, why is the dryer open?
trying to find a sleeveless shirt.
You want a drink? Yeah, that's dirty.
No.
What? What do you want? You want juice. How about some chocolate milk? Careful. You want some chocolate milk?
No.
Yeah. You don't want that. That'll make you poo. Let's have some chocolate milk. Okay? We'll get you chocolate. What do you say? Cheese. Just so everyone knows, I'm not right-handed, and I just poured that with my right hand. All right. What else? I said chocolate, didn't I? That's what this is for. There's so much stuff on the dryer. Just a little. You probably won't even drink this. Because Mr. Wyatt is picky. Just about put that on the cup. You want this? Uh-huh. Look at this mess you made on my table. There you go. You even got toys on the floor. Dude, you're a mess. Uh-huh. Here's Daddy's, No, don't worry about it. You can't wipe that up with a towel. I'll have to, like, sweep it up with a broom on my table because you made a big mess. Drink your chocolate milk. Hurry. Yeah, you got chocolate. You got food on the chair, didn't you? You don't need a towel for that. Just pick it up with your fingers. No. Look. Look at this mess. Daddy, you see this mess?
I see that mess.
Mr. Wyatt is a mess. Yeah. Ew! 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 Your toe! Alright. You ready?
No.
No. Why not? I'm ready to tickle you?
No.
Yes, yes. Tickle you. Tickle, 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 tickle. What, you can't laugh today?
No.
Can you not laugh? Oh, I love you. Okay. Alright. Let's go. Look at that mess. You made a mess.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Take your chair off your bed. Yeah, there's no room for all of it over there. Boom! Here's Goofy. Alright? Give me kisses now. Give me a kiss. Mwah! Love you. Okay, mwah! Good night, George. Mwah! Good night, Penguin. Mwah! Good night, Goofy. Mwah! Good night, Mickey. No. That's it. All done. One more. Mwah. Good night, Sully. Alright. Lay down. Here's your Mickey. Okay? Be good tonight. Don't go upstairs. Here you go. One more. That's it. hug. Oh, I love you. Nope. That's it. Enough playing around, okay? Good night night. I love you. You're okay. Nothing happened. No, it's not broke. Alright, good night night. I love you. I love you. You're silly. I'm getting my camera. Don't worry. Alright, say night night to everyone. Say bye. Cooper. Alright guys, well, I am going to wait for Wyatt to go to bed, and then I am going to do the dishes, maybe edit this video and go to bed, I guess. Maybe watch some YouTube before I go to bed. Watch me stay up almost all night. That's probably what's gonna happen. Alright, well you guys have a great day, night, whenever you're watching this, and see ya hopefully tomorrow, because I don't know how much I can do this with this camera, so we'll see if this works and we'll go from there. Bye.